And welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you here from Westlake Village, California. It is bright and sunny, a beautiful, hot, wonderful day out here. And we got a lot of price action to go over. So I'm going to hop right into Bitcoin price action on the hourly time frame. If I can get this to pop up and look pretty here. Okay. I'm looking to hide all these squiggly lines. And I'm looking to make the screen a little bigger. Okay, there you go. So Bitcoin on the hourly time frame, we did say if we broke 34,000, which was way back here, 34,000 on any kind of a higher time frame, we were looking at a quick move down to 30,000, small bounce. And then next target down, if 30,000 broke, was 25,000. We got a wick all the way down to 24,582. And now we're getting a bit of a bounce alongside NASDAQ, which played out a pretty sideways market today. And here's what I would say right now. Any kind of an hourly closure above $30,000. The measure move is up to about 32,176. If we can get back above 32,000 on, let's see, a 4-hour closure. Really got to get above the green 55. That's coming in at 33,000. And I'll just lay out a little fib retracement so we can see what a bullish retracement would look like. So probably going to run into headwinds at the 618 on the 4-hour, which we have been getting pushed back from the 618 so far. But it does look like we have a bit of strength in here. Not a whole lot of volume yet. But we did have this capitulation volume right here. So, am I targeting a move up towards about 30,000 bucks? I think, there's good room in the cards for that. But again, all mediated around a, hourly closure above 30,000 bucks, and then that gives us a shot to 32. To the downside, well, we just do the opposite if we want to do a fib retracement to the downside. If 25,000 breaks to the downside, and by the way, if we even get an hourly closure back below 27,800, call it 29,000, I'm looking for us to head back into this wick area over, maybe the next few days. And probably, going to bounce it a couple more times along 25,000. I don't know if we have earth-shattering open interest right now to quite get us back down below there. But the target below 25,000 with the daily closure below there. Next target down is 20,000, and below there is the 11,973 target, which is going to be in play as long as Bitcoin is below 43,000. So that's it for Bitcoin today. I guess I could throw it up on the daily time frame, and it just looks brutal here. Absolutely brutal. If that's okay. That's, Bitcoin land, 80 to 100% volatility. Hopefully you're able to take advantage of some of that. So we did get a big wick down here, filled in all the way. And yeah, so technically, until we get back above even 40,000 bucks, we're still going to be making lower highs. And I'd mediate that with 43,000 to really get a confirmation that, hey, this was just a bull trap. And we, get much, much higher upside targets from there. But as for now, the trend is your friend till the end of the trend. So how would we get a trend reversal? We need a higher high on the daily and then a higher low, and that would qualify for a trend reversal on the daily time frame. I think that's it for today, guys. I'm going to make it short and sweet. Hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed rest of your day, and we'll bring it back with another video here tomorrow. Take care. See you soon.